Hello everyone, welcome to Next Slide with Asha Raji. Let's learn a tutorial which uses this kind of transition. You can download this PPT for free by using a password which will be mentioned in between the video. Stay tuned till the end. Take a blank slide, right click, go to Format Background, click on Picture, choose Insert, select from a file. Now select any one picture that you have downloaded in your laptop or PC and then click on Insert. Choose a rectangle from the Shapes tab and insert on the slide. Go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Go to Gradient Fill, make it 3 gradient stops. Select black color for all the gradient stops. For the first gradient stop, increase the position and transparency to 20%. For the second gradient stop, increase the position to 71% and transparency to 73%. Now for the third gradient stop, adjust the position and transparency to 100%. Go to Direction and choose Linear Right. Draw a text box, type letter S, select the letter, adjust the font color to white, font chunk 5 Roman and font size to 400. Here I want the letter S to combine with the background without any hindrance. If I click on the slide background fill, the result is not accurate. The background is not filled inside the letter S. So we have a solution for this. Untick from the slide fill, draw a small round shape inside the letter S. Go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Now duplicate the slide using Ctrl D. Select the letter and then the round shape. Go to Shape Format and choose Union under the Merge Shapes. Click on Slide Background Fill. Now you will find that the letter S has been combined with the background. Wherever we place the letter, it will take the color of the background. So you can arrange the letter according to your convenience. Insert another text box, type Specific. Give white color to it, font chunk 5 Roman, font size 60, and you can adjust the spacing if needed. Draw one more text box below and type the information related to it. Click on Justify. Give white color, font Bancroft light condensed and font size 24. Insert a blank slide. Below the second slide, insert a picture from a file. Place a rectangle. Select No Shape Outline. Click on the Gradient Fill. You will find the same setting as of the previous slide. Now go to the first slide, select the letter S and the round shape together by holding the Ctrl key. Press Ctrl C. Go to the third slide and press Ctrl V. Double click on the letter S, change it to letter M. Select both shapes together, go to Merge Shapes and choose Union. Now increase the size according to your convenience. Click on the Slide Background Fill. Now insert a subheading and the information related to it with same font and font size as we did for the previous slide. In this way, create as many slides as you want for your presentation. Here I have prepared total 6 slides. Now go to the first slide and delete it. Now we will add few animations. Click on letter S, go to Animation and select Wipe. Start after previous, duration 2 seconds. Select the word Specific. Choose Split Animation. Start after previous. Now click on the paragraph. Choose Shape Animation and start after previous. Close the format background. Now same animation to be given for the remaining slides. To save time, you can do one thing. First, assign the animation for the letters and the sentences. Go to Animation pane. Select the 3 panes together by holding Shift key. Click on the down arrow and select Start After Previous. Actually, I wanted to add 2 more slides to my presentation. One welcome slide at the start and one thank you slide at the end. So if you want to learn how to create these slides, you can click on the link which is posted in the description. Next, go to Transition. Select 2nd to 7th slide together by holding the Shift key. Choose Push Animation. Give duration 3 seconds. Untick the mouse click. Select After option and then type 0.03 seconds. Now click on the slideshow to see the results. Now you can download this PPT using your password 724. Please share, like and subscribe for more creative presentations. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.